No. Oh, oh, oh. Got something. What the hell? Yo! That's class. Called a shoal rock wingway.